how to get a free trial on iQIYI application. First, you want to go to your Safari. After that, you want to tap on the search bar and search for iQIYI free trial over here. After that, here you can see an information which says it occasionally offers free trial for new users. So you want to simply tap on this iQIYI website here. After that, you can enjoy all the free shows over here. However, if you want to pay for their subscriptions, you can see their plan over here. If you want to make a subscription, you want to simply tap on become a VIP over here and follow the prompt from there. After that, it will redirect you to the App Store. Here you want to tap on open, and if you are logged in into the account, you'll be able to see all the plans they have on the application. Simply tap on me over here and you'll be able to see here all the options that you can, and by tapping on my VIP gift cards and by simply tapping on join VIP, you'll be able to see all the plans over here, and if they have any free trials over here, you can see that as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.